Hey guys, it's Greg from Motorsports Innovations doing a little tech tip on the Racepak single wire water temperature sensor. It usually comes with the UDX digital dashes, the replay and street rod, and also the IQ3 street dash. They're a good durable sensor. They do have one small shortcoming, and that is you can't tighten this nut with a wrench, the nut that holds the terminal on. You need to finger tighten it, because if you tighten it with a wrench, you'll probably end up twisting the core. And what's a little bit tricky on how this works out is frequently you actually twist the core during disassembly. So I'll get the phone call that says, gee, my digital dash water temperature worked fine all last year, and now at the beginning of this racing season it doesn't work. How could the sensor go bad sitting over the winter? Well, the core was twisted during disassembly. And that leads me to some diagnostic stuff that you can do, and sometimes I do with the racer over the phone, and that is to have the sensor out of the picture and we'll check the wiring in the dash. So when the sensor is disconnected, this is my battery ground, the blue wire, and this green wire is simulating the gray wire out of the harness. So when everything's disconnected, you get 6 degrees on the dash, and that's correct. If you ground the gray wire to the battery ground or to the engine, you'll alternate between 313 and a high water temperature warning, which is programmed in most of the dashes. So if you get the 313 and the 6, then your wiring is good, your dash is good, and yes, you do have a bad sensor. Now, once in a blue moon, I do see a guy who'll have so much Teflon tape on these threads that it won't be able to get a good ground, and he gets some of the same kinds of results. Now, when everything's working right, you have a good ground on the threads, you've got a good connection from the gray wire to the terminal, and you get the good ambient temperature of 84 degrees here in the shop. So that's the story on the single wire water temperature sensors. If you have questions on any Racepak stuff, give me a call, email, Facebook message. Good luck racing.